Hey everyone, welcome to Vela's channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer contacts between Android phones. There are two main ways, via the phone itself or SIM card, and a third through Google. First, open your contacts, select one, and tap Settings in the top right. Like this. Then tap Share Contact. That's one method. The second way is through your Google account. For this, go to Settings. Sorry, my mistake. Go to Google. Select Cross-Device Services and sign in on both phones with the same Google account. Contacts will sync automatically there. You can also transfer a limited number of contacts using your SIM card. That's all for now. This has been Vela. See you next time.